Hi everybody, Monty Reed here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to cook instant quinoa with cinnamon and raisins. Now, I usually do my oatmeal in the morning with cinnamon and raisins, so I'm just going to use the quinoa in the same way that I normally use the oatmeal. So I'm going to do it a little bit different, just because the instant quinoa is fully cooked, where the oatmeal has to cook for 10 minutes. Oops, burnt the butter. Okay, so we got to put the blooper on the front. I burnt the butter. Okay, so here we go. We're starting over again. This is the instant quinoa for breakfast with cinnamon and raisins. There we go. We're just going to get that warmed up. Let's make sure we don't burn the butter. Do what I say, not what I do. All right. Got to keep it moving. That pan was just too hot. And we're going to throw in the quinoa. Get it all toasty. Keep it moving around. Make sure that every little bit has a chance to get a little bit of butter in there so you get that nice toasty flavor. Throw the raisins in, throw in the cinnamon, and then the Thrive sizzle. Now the raisins are going to take the most amount of time. I feel that the raisins are still hard. Turn the heat down so we don't burn it. Got it on low. This is the instant quinoa with cinnamon and raisins. Now, most Americans will want a teaspoon of sugar added, but you can just add sugar to taste at the end. There we go. Instant quinoa with cinnamon and raisins. It's one of the great breakfast dishes that you can now get from Thrive. This is Monty Reed with Thrive Life, teaching you how to cook with instant quinoa, sweet and savory. Have a great day.